Hi everybody, it's 9:11 and 44 seconds on September 17th. Sorry for the lengthy delay in running this, but I tried to set it up probably almost immediately when it closed, but my computer froze, so I had to shut down, reboot, and redo this all over again. So, without further ado, here we are, Totally Awesome Hulk number 22. Over here on the left are the 9 filled spots. We're going to roll our 3 dice. The number is Yo 11. Going to randomize 11 times. Name at the top of the list will win the book. It will ship out tomorrow, September 18th. So good luck. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and here comes the final one. Spot 1, Eric White. Congratulations. Time is 9:12 and 42 seconds.